The cryptocurrency market just had an impactful week. Bitcoin began around $65,000 but faltered. Ethereum lingered under $1,900 while XRP fought to stay above $1. Meanwhile, Solana showed resilience amid challenges faced by major crypto players. Key regulatory updates added pressure as Washington shifted focus. The U.S. Senate stalled the Clarity Act, and the SEC canceled its crucial meeting. Let's explore these developments further. This video serves purely for educational purposes. It is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile. Always do your own research before investing. Looking at the overall market trends, investors closely monitored Bitcoin for signs of breakout. Bitcoin was stable around $65,000, but lost momentum quickly. By August 14th, Bitcoin fell to about $62,800. Ethereum traded around $1,878 as the market capital dropped to approximately $2.24 trillion. Regulatory changes became a pivotal point during this week. Now, let's focus specifically on Bitcoin. It started the week strong but faced resistance early on. By Friday, Bitcoin dropped below $63,000, ending around $62,000. This pullback doesn't necessarily suggest a crash is underway. Bitcoin typically fluctuates through consolidation phases before making larger moves. Market participants watched the psychological $60,000 hold. Momentum loss raises questions. Where will buyers step back in? What contributed to Bitcoin's decline? Several factors influenced the market sentiment. Firstly, institutional demand seemed less strong than before. Additionally, cryptocurrency ETF flows gained significant attention. Investors anticipated updates on U.S. regulations, while economic conditions played a role. The Clarity Act was significant this week. This legislation aims to clarify how digital assets are regulated in the U.S. Many businesses and investors need clear guidelines to navigate the market successfully. Changes in these regulations can greatly impact the crypto landscape. However, the Senate's decision not to advance the Clarity Act created uncertainty. The bill now faces delays until at least September 15th. Investors hoped for clarity, but instead encountered setbacks. Ongoing uncertainty can affect market sentiments surrounding crypto assets. XRP's situation intertwines with U.S. regulatory developments. Following the Senate delay, XRP struggled to maintain the crucial $1 mark. Regulatory clarity could shape investor confidence and institutional engagement. Investors are keenly observing how September's events may act as catalysts. Next, let's discuss the SEC's unexpected decision. It canceled a key meeting initially set for August 14th. This cancellation, surrounded by previous delays, left investors uncertain. They expected clarity, but now must wait longer for direction. The SEC meeting aimed to cover regulation crypto, focusing on fundraising rules and relief measures for crypto firms. Such regulatory clarity is essential for businesses to thrive. Delaying these discussions adds stress to the market. Switching gears, Ethereum faced pressure throughout the week. Trading around the $1,900 level, it dipped lower by August 14th. Sustained movement above $1,900 could enhance market sentiment, yet repeated rejections keep sellers active. Ethereum remains vital in DeFi and the broader crypto ecosystem, signifying its importance for altcoin market conditions. Now, let's explore Solana. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, Solana showed relative strength. It led in ETF inflows, signaling growing institutional interest. This trend is noteworthy as it highlights where capital and investor attention flow. However, strong inflows don't guarantee continued price increases. Continuing with XRP, it hovered around the $1 mark, a psychological level for traders. Investors monitored XRP closely amid continuous regulatory discourse. Observing if XRP rallies independently of Bitcoin is crucial for assessing renewed interest. This week's trend includes discussions surrounding cryptocurrency ETFs. ETFs are reshaping how traditional finance engages with cryptocurrency. They provide easier avenues for institutional investment. Insights this week indicated that Solana was gaining momentum while Bitcoin faced outflows. Several altcoins, like Chainlink and Shiba Inu, also performed well at times. Altcoins react variably during different market conditions. Investors should pay attention to market liquidity rather than only focusing on percentage increases. Tokenization emerged as another theme. Traditional assets increasingly get tokenized on blockchain networks. Major firms like BlackRock lead these initiatives. Tokenization can include stocks, bonds, and funds, potentially marking a shift towards using blockchain technology in countless traditional spaces. So, what's the takeaway from this week's events? Uncertainty reigns within the cryptocurrency market. Institutional interest is growing, but the path to regulatory clarity is slow. With Bitcoin losing momentum and Ethereum below $1,900, the market seeks direction. Yet, strong ETF activity surrounding Solana indicates potential. For next week, 3 crucial factors await. 1. Can Bitcoin regain momentum above $65,000? 2. Watch for updates regarding the Clarity Act and its implications. 3. Observe institutional flow towards specific cryptocurrencies. In a bullish scenario, Bitcoin recovers, ETF inflows surge, and regulations become clear. Conversely, a bearish scenario may have Bitcoin languishing, creating defensive investors. Fundamentally, this week signals a changing cryptocurrency landscape. Institutional dynamics, regulations, and tokenization are now intertwined with traditional finance. The days of treating crypto separately from global finance may be fading. In summary, Bitcoin has slid closer to $62,000, Ethereum remains under pressure, XRP is near $1, and Solana stands out with ETF activity. Legislative delays add to investor uncertainty. As developments unfold, understanding the cryptocurrency landscape requires a closer examination of regulation and market conditions. Thank you for watching this recap for August 17 to 22, 2026. If you enjoyed this analysis, subscribe for weekly updates. We'll cover key crypto stories and their implications for investors. Leave comments with your thoughts on the market. What do you think about regulatory changes? How will Bitcoin act next week? And what crypto trends are exciting you? Stay informed and see you next time. End screen. Subscribe for weekly crypto news. What is pumped? What if? How does? Crypto Weekly Recap. Educational content only. Not financial advice.